Welcome to Bard Manufacturing Company.
It can be easy to take 107 years for granted when you get caught up in the normal day-to-day activities.
But we don't want our 107th anniversary to pass without highlighting something very important.
Which is the one reason behind Bard Manufacturing's success and longevity, and that's you.
We couldn't have done it without 107 years of dedicated employees.
We couldn't have done it without 107 years of committed distributors.
We couldn't have done it without 107 years of quality suppliers.
We couldn't have done it without the 107 years of loyal customers.
And finally, we couldn't have done it without 107 years of supportive communities.
You have made Bard Manufacturing Company what it is today,
which is a fourth generation family-owned manufacturer of high-quality climate control solutions,
with a fifth generation currently in the business.
So as we celebrate this 107-year milestone, we would like to say thank you and celebrate with everyone who has helped us get here.
Bard Manufacturing, celebrating 107 years with you.
With you.
With you.
With you.
With you.
With you.